Let's go through this program a little bit. It's almost perfect, except for some changes that I might suggest now. First, I believe that you want to keep the distance as 5 centimeters. Um, Again, we'll talk about that later on. So that's okay, 5 to 10 centimeters. 5 centimeters might be too less. So you use a switch program, and then after the switch program you say that if the ultrasound sensor measures if it is more than 12 centimeters, then it goes into this mode. That's fine. If it is less than that, then it follows the wall. Again, your distance is a little bit short, but that's fine. You're using the variable. Your ultrasound sensor is reading it, going into this tab A, and then tab B is the distance, subtracting. Everything's fine. This the multiplier you may want to use. You might want to use a little bit higher, to around 20, to make the adjustments a little bit faster. So this is fine. This program is fine except for some of the changes. Here, let's go through this. This is where there are a few mistakes. So the ultrasound sensor uh, first reads it. Okay, now it knows that it is more than 12 centimeters, so it is um, the gyro resets good. It turns to the right, it adjusts to 90 degrees. This is all great. One change I would suggest in your programs is you need a little bit of pause when it's readjusting. So but that's okay, that's not a big mistake. So you readjusted it, and then it moves. These calculations are fine. It subtracts, um, and again here it might be too close to the wall. And we can always try this program and see if it works, but that's okay. You ultrasound it puts the value in, it subtracts 5, and then it calculates the rotations and it moves forward at the speed of 15. All well. Now your gyro is resetting, and then it is turning to the left, but here you're putting it more than or equal to 90. I think you want it to be less than or equal to minus 90. I think that's what you meant. Um, and then again, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do it minus 90. Otherwise, it goes the opposite. It doesn't know what it is doing. So and plus, where you're using variable speed every time you use the initial gyro. I would use at a constant at around 35. This would always create some kind of a gyro lag. So um, and now, so again, we have adjusted everything here, and now it is in position to follow the same loop that you have used earlier. So that's perfect. Some one minor mistake, but not a big deal. So this was um, I think this is what you meant, right? You want the robot to move straight and then turn left back, because your ultrasound sensor, I believe, is on the right hand side. If it was on the left hand side, it would be a little bit different. um, if I've done it wrong, you let me know, but I think I'm right. But otherwise, good job.